Welcome to week 6. I'm just briefly going to go over the overview. For this module, we'll be talking about or learning about active listening, body language, listening challenges in the classroom, note-taking techniques, talking about how memory works, and going over mnemonic devices to help you solidify memorization of course materials. The objectives of the module are to learn the principles of active listening, to understand how body language can help you to be a better listener, to learn note-taking techniques, specifically the list method, the outline method, concept mapping, and the Cornell method, to understand how memory works, and to gain techniques for memorization. There's a link here on the overview for week 6 with the chapter for this week. And let me go into module view. Module 6, of course, we have our welcome, our overview, the weekly journal, and our pages. We have 4.1, 4.2, followed by our first comprehension check. 4.3, are you really listening? And then our second comprehension check. Got notes, 4.4, followed by comprehension check number 3. 4.5, remembering course materials, followed by comprehension check number 4. These are ungraded quizzes. I made them ungraded because the points were not included on the syllabus. However, they may preview the final exam, and they do help you to know whether or not you are getting the materials from each section in the module. And of course, we have our week 6 discussion. And you don't see it here, but you will see the reminder coming up on your calendar because this week the midterm paper is due. And the midterm paper assignment can be found back in week 1. So if you see here in the week 1 module, we have our midterm paper. Actually, the assignment is here. So to submit, you can go back to week 1 module to submit your midterm paper. The assignment is here. You see it is available all the way up until June 7th. However, it is due May 22nd. So I always take late assignments. I leave them open until the end of the semester. The due dates are really to help you so that you don't get overwhelmed. So just a reminder, you will see the note is coming up in your calendar and your to-do list to turn in the midterm paper by the 22nd. And if we go back to the module for week 1, you'll see a Word document with the instructions. So this is basically your rubric for the midterm, showing you the breakdown of the points value for each item in the midterm, all of the discussion points that you should be hitting on for your midterm. And this is a pretty big assignment, so you do want to make sure that you submit the midterm paper. So again, I gave you all the tools to do it back in week 1, but it is coming due this Saturday. And the time log assignment was due on the 15th. Of course, if you are still working on it, I will accept it late, and you do not need me to unlock it. You can go ahead and submit up until the end of the semester. If you don't want to, wonder, hey, which module did she give this assignment? You can always navigate to assignments on the left-hand navigation menu in Canvas, and you'll find them all here. And so here is your midterm paper assignment. Okay, so I hope that didn't confuse you too much. I just wanted to give you an overview for week 6. Remind you that if you did not submit the time log assignment on Saturday the 15th, you may still turn it in. I always want to, be able to give you points and grade your assignments rather than marking 0, so I will take it late if it wasn't submitted. And if you haven't started writing your midterm paper, I recommend that you start writing it now, because it is due this Saturday on the 22nd. And of course, you'll still have your journal and your discussion for this week. And yeah, we'll be talking about listening, note-taking, and memorization. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.